We'll move on to part 3 of non-action verbs today. 今日は non-action 動詞の勉強します。3番目の勉強。And we have 3 words, see, look, and watch. These 3 verbs describe the way we use our eyes. The first verb is see. See is when my eyes are open, the different things I can see. I can see the camera. I can see the whiteboard. But I can't tell some specific things about it. I can just see them. So this is a non-action verb. The second verb is look. Look is when I want to see more of something. If I look at the clock, I concentrate for a period of time to read the time on the clock. This is an action. I'm concentrating to see something for a short time. And that means look is an action verb. And last one, watch. Watch is similar to look. I'm concentrating to see something, but watch is longer. Look is shorter, watch is longer. So also action verb. 最初の動詞の see は non-action。なぜかというと、目覚めた時にいろいろ見えるんですね。ただ目が開いてるので見えるんですね。集中はしてない。一生懸命見ようとしてない。ただ見える。なので、non-action。look は集中して見る。短いの間は look。これ集中してるので、これが action verb。それと、watch は look より長く集中して見ることなので、これも action verb ですね。So looking at the first one, my eyes are open. My eyes are open, so since my eyes are open, I can see the clock. I'm not doing anything, there's no action, I'm not concentrating, I'm not trying to do anything, but I can see it. So saying I'm seeing the clock is no good. We can't say that. This is no good. Next one, look. Look is I'm concentrating to see something. So I'm looking at the clock. Perhaps I want to read the time. So if I look at the clock, I'm looking at the clock and I can read the time. It's 9:30. Because I concentrated, I'm using some effort to see something. This becomes an action verb. And we say I'm looking at the clock. And I can read the time. I'm looking at the clock and it's 9:30. Watch. Watch is also an action verb. The difference between watch and look are watch is to concentrate on seeing something for a longer period of time. Look is a shorter period of time. So I'm watching the car drive away. Perhaps I want to see where the car is going, so I'm watching the driver drive out, pull up, and go down the street. Maybe I want to see where he's going. So I watch for a longer period of time. In that case, we say watching. I'm watching the car. So, no effort. I can just see it because my eyes are open. So, non-action. I see the clock. Look, I concentrate to see something for a short period of time. Perhaps I'm reading something. I'm checking the time. So, action verb. I'm looking at the clock. There is some action, some effort. And watch is similar to look, but for a longer time. I'm watching the car drive away. I'm concentrating to see where the car is going. And this takes a longer time. So watch is long and look is short. 最初の動詞は see. See は non-action の動詞ですね。目が覚めていて、色のものは見えるけれども、努力はしてない。行動はしてない。それで non-action。例えば I see the clock。現在形の形で使ってください。I'm seeing the clock は現在進行形。Non-action verb は現在進行形の形を使わない。次、look。look は Action Verb です。集中してみること。短い間集中してみること。なので、I'm looking at the clock. 時計を見ている。時計を見ていて、多分時間をチェックしている。それで集中して読めようとするので、現在進行形で使ってもいいんですね。で、最後、watch。watch もアクションの動詞。watch は集中して長く見る。look より長く。I'm watching the car drive away. 車が走っていることを見ている。多分どこに行くかをチェックしているとか。それは長い、もっと長いですね。look は短いで、watch はもっと長い。